What's up, my peoples? Today we're gonna install the Minka Aire fan. Looks like this, the beast. It's gonna be fun. Let's check it out. Things are big. Hopefully they don't mind us coming in. Hello! Let's check it out. Today we're going to be installing the Minka Aire Xtreme H2O 65-inch from my supply house, Light Styles. The tools we're going to be using: Milwaukee drill with a 4 1/8 hole saw, and fan brace remodel, 14-2 wire. Alright, we got our area prepped. Let's drill the hole. Should be nice and easy. Center. A little bit of debris coming. Got our box. Let's mount it to that bracket now. It comes with this little bracket, goes over that, and then we got a 3/8 nuts to secure it. Just go through here. Boom. Look at that hole though. It's nice. So we're gonna install this first. This is the mounting bracket that holds the down rod so it swivels. So got some number 10s. Just a little bit on there. Sometimes the thing will fall off, hit me in the head. A little torque on it. Ooh. Now we got our motor. We're gonna install this into the mount. Let's check it out. There's a little groove in here, so it really, you'll find out when it sits in, when it does this little boom. Perfect. All right, we're gonna hook up the grounds. These come with these little orange wire nuts. What I typically don't use is I use these aftermarket ones to get a good fight on the wire. Get the neutrals together. That's how I'd do it if it was hot. Then we get this guy together. So we're gonna tuck these wires in nice and neat. Yeah. All right, now we're ready for the lathe. Alright, got our blade. Yeah. Alright, so we got everything hooked up, everything's installed. As far as the fan goes, let's go hook up hot power. So we're gonna pull off the added power, this lighting circuit, and get power from there. Alright, so that's it for the install. As you can see, it's up. It's all good. We'll see you on the next one.